Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MCQ's World. Today we discuss ECAT Physics MCQs Past Paper 2011. Let's start. Dash Newton force is required to fracture the naked skull. A option 5, B 500, C 50, D 5000. Correct option 5000 Newton force. A typical rocket uses 10,000 kg per second cube of fuel and ejects the burnt gases at a speed of A option 2000 meter per second, B 4000 meter per second, C 3000 meter per second, D 5000 meter per second. Correct option 2000 meter per second. When a rocket is projected at an angle of 30 degree with initial speed 980 meter per second, the time is A 10 second, B 15 second, C 100 second, D 520 second. Correct option 10 second. All the food that we eat is one day in about the same energy as dash liter of milk is. Half, B option 1, C 2 by 3, D 2. Correct option 1. Solar energy dash as light passes through atmosphere. A increases, B constant, C decreases, D none. Correct option decreases. Geyser is an interesting phenomena of dash energy. A tidal, B solar, C geothermal, D electrical. Correct option geothermal. The flight of an aeroplane is due to dash on the upper of wings. Increased pressure, decreased velocity, increased velocity and decreased pressure. D none. Correct option none. What is the average translation kinetic energy of molecules in gas at temperature 27 degrees centigrade? A 6.2 into 10 to raise power minus 12, B 1.28 into 10 to raise power minus 10, C 2.34 into 10 to raise power minus 10, D none. Correct option D. The maximum percentage efficiency of engine operating between 227 degree and 20 degree is 56%, 50%, 44%, 40%. Correct option 40%. Centripetal acceleration is a dash acceleration. A instantaneous, B 4000 meter per second, C uniform, D both A and B. Correct option D both A and B. The minimum time period for a satellite revolving around the Earth is approximately A 54 minutes, B 52 minutes, C 72 minutes, D 33 minutes. Correct option C 72 minutes. The maximum velocity that can be achieved by a body performing simple harmonic motion is equal to A Wx square, B W square over x, C Wx, D none. Correct option none. The speed of sound in hydrogen is dash times its speed in oxygen. A 2, B 4, C 3, D 5. Correct option 4 times. The near point for human eye is A 20 cm, B 30 cm, C 25 cm, D infinite. Correct option 25 cm. Waves transport energy without transporting. A power, B matter, C work, D none. Correct option matter. The dash of the light is inversely proportional to the refractive index? A. Wavelength, B. Speed, C. Frequency, D. Energy. Correct option speed. Energy acquired by a charged particle of 2 electrons moving through a potential difference of 5 volt is 7 electron volt, 10 joule, 1.6 into 10 to raise per minus 28, D. None. Correct option 10 joule. The device which converts the chemical energy into electrical energy is called A. Thermocouple, B. Solar cell, C. Chemical cell, D. Thermistor. Correct option chemical cell. The color code on a carbon resistor from left to right are white, violet and red. Then the resistance will be 2700 ohm, 97 ohm, 970 ohm, D. None. Correct option 97 ohm. In step-up transform, current across secondary. A. Increases, B. Constant, C. Decreases, D. None. Correct option decreases. New particle may be discovered with the help of Wilson's cloud chamber, solid state detector, Geiger-Müller counter, Geiger counter and fast detector. Correct option Wilson's cloud chamber. Half-life of radium is 1590 years. In how many years shall the Earth lose all its radium due to radioactive decay? A. 1590 into 10 to power 6 years, B. 1590 into 10 to power 12 years, C. 1590 into 10 to power 24 years, D. Never. Correct option D. Never. When two identical waves are superposed, the velocity of resultant wave A. Decreases, B. Remains unchanged, C. Increases, D. Becomes zero. Correct option increases. The resistance of a conductor depends on A. Thermal conductivity, B. Specific heat, C. Internal energy, D. Temperature difference. Correct option temperature difference. The resistance of a conductor depends on nature of conductor only, potential difference between its end, magnitude of the current flowing through it, D. Nature, dimension and physical state of conductor. Correct option nature, dimension and physical state of conductor. When the frequency of oscillator is slightly greater than that of resistance, amplitude will be rapidly increases, rapidly decreases, remains constant, none. Correct option rapidly increases. Semiconductor behaves as dash at 0 Kelvin. A. Insulator, B. Pure conductor, C. Superconductor, D. None. Correct option insulator. The value of permittivity of free space is 8.85 into 10 to raise power minus 12 Coulomb cube, Newton per second square, meter per second square. B option Coulomb square, Newton per second, meter per cube. C option Newton, Coulomb cube, meter per cube. D all. Correct option Newton, Coulomb cube, meter per cube. Which material would provide best shielding for Coulomb's force? A. Mica, B. Glass, C. Benzene, D. Paper. Correct option Mica. In alternating current, indicator behaves like A. Battery, B. Conductor, C. Resistor, D. None. Correct option resistor. For more MCQs videos, kindly subscribe my channel. If you want PDF of these MCQs, comment below your email address.